This tag has a completely different name on it. This is not ours.
What just happened?
It's your mistake. Our suitcase has all our clothes and important things inside. I am so excited! We are finally going on vacation! Everyone, please pack your things carefully. We leave tomorrow morning.
You are coming with me, robot. You always come everywhere with me.
Ethan, you are taking your robot toy on vacation? Yes, my robot goes everywhere with me. That is final. Okay, I was just asking.
Everything is packed. The suitcase is ready to go.
My robot is inside. I checked 3 times already.
I'm ready. Let's go. Mom and Dad are waiting.
I'm ready too. Let's go.
Wow, Amelia, you look beautiful. That outfit really suits you.
Thank you, Alex. You look very handsome too. I love your style today.
Everyone is ready? Let's go.
Come on, everyone. Let us go before we are late.
We have plenty of time, Lily. Let us go.
Did you book the ride to airport?
Yes, I have booked the ride. Don't worry. Okay, time to go.
Wow, the airport is so big and busy today. Stay close, everyone. Do not wander away.
Here is our suitcase. Please take good care of it.
My robot toy is inside that bag. Please be careful. Sure, sir. Leave it to us. We are through security. Now we just wait for the plane. I cannot wait to get there. This is going to be so much fun. We are flying! Look at the clouds outside, Ethan! This is amazing. I hope my robot is okay down in the luggage.
Yes, we're coming right now. Everyone, go to the taxi first. I'll bring the bags. Everyone, let's go.
We are finally here. The hotel looks so beautiful.
I am a little tired, but I am so happy we are here. Mom, can you open the suitcase? I want to take out my robot toy and play with it.
Okay, Ethan. This tag has a completely different name on it. This is not ours.
What just happened? Someone must have taken our suitcase by mistake at the airport.
It's not someone's mistake, it's your mistake. Our suitcase has all our clothes and important things inside.
I know, Lily. Do not worry, we will find it.
My white robot toy is inside our real suitcase. Someone else has my robot right now and they do not even know.
I am calling the airport now. They will help us find our bag.
Please hurry, Alex. We need our suitcase back.
Mom, give me my mobile tablet. I put it in your purse.
All right, here you go.
I just want my robot back. I take it everywhere with me.
We will find it, Ethan. Dad is calling the airport right now. Wait, what is this? The robot app just opened by itself. There is a blue dot on the map. That is my robot. It is online. Mom, Dad, come here quickly. I can see where our suitcase is. What? How do you know where it is?
What? That blue dot is moving. It is showing a location nearby.
My robot toy has a small tracker inside it. Look at this blue dot on the map.
That blue dot is showing us exactly where our suitcase is right now. The location is showing a restaurant just around the corner from here.
Then let us go there right now. Come on, everyone. The blue dot is very close now. We are almost there. I can see a restaurant just ahead. That must be the place. The blue dot is right inside this restaurant. Our suitcase is in there.
Okay, everyone, stay calm and let me handle this politely.
Look, that is our suitcase. I can see it right there beside that table. Yes, and I can hear my robot making a small sound from inside it. There is a man and his son sitting at that table with our suitcase.
The little boy keeps looking at the suitcase. He can probably hear the robot too.
Dad, there is a strange sound coming from inside this bag again.
I hear it too, Leo. I do not know what it is. Excuse me. I am very sorry to disturb you during your meal. I think there has been a small mistake with our suitcases at the airport. Oh, I thought something was wrong, and something inside kept making a small sound. We had no idea what it was.
That sound is my white robot toy. I packed it inside our suitcase before we left. We are so sorry for the trouble. It was an honest mistake at the airport.
Our suitcases are exactly the same color and size. We took yours by mistake at the airport.
This is something we will never forget from this vacation.
Here is your suitcase. I am very sorry again for the mix-up. Please do not worry at all. I am just happy everything worked out.
There you are! I missed you so much, robot! Wow, that robot looks so amazing. I have never seen one like that before. It also has a tracker inside. That is how we found you here today. So your robot helped you find us? That is the coolest thing I have ever heard.
Thank you so much, Mr. David. Enjoy the rest of your vacation. You too, and well done to the boy with the clever robot.
Always check the name tag on your suitcase at the airport. And always bring your favorite robot toy. It might just save the day.